So the first thing I'd say is that it takes lots of different kinds of people to make a successful entrepreneurial company. Lots of different kinds. Those of us that are engineers and have never, especially those of us that have never been through it, like maybe the first time around, underappreciate the role of all the rest of the employees in the company. In fact, when I started MIPS, I figured, well, we'll have 50 engineers and 5 other people, and the company will all be great. Well, of course, that doesn't work. And in fact, if the company is going to continue to grow, it's the non-engineering parts that are going to grow much faster than that. There's a natural focus on technology, but as I said, most information technology companies don't fail because the technology doesn't work. The number, besides the 2 reasons I mentioned of missing the market and being late to the window, the other reason they fail is they can't build a team. They can't work through the people dynamics, which are absolutely crucial. One of the hardest things to learn is how do you build a talented team where everybody in that team can contribute and play a role. So I think those issues are absolutely a whole set of issues that are outside the realm of creating the technology, but are absolutely crucial. And that takes a set of talents and capabilities. While many of the people may have had some technical background along the way, most of the people inside the company don't have anything to do with technology at some point. They have to do with customer relations, building up the business, marketing it, hiring the rest of the staff, running the business on a day-to-day basis. So I think that's really crucial. I simply didn't appreciate how hard it was to find good people to do all those other functions. And in fact, I think this happens very often inside startups, especially startups that contain a lot of people who are on their first startup. They can get the best technical people in the world. After all, if you've got a great insight, a great invention, great discovery, all these great young engineers, they all want to work on it. Go and try and hire the rest of the company at the same quality level. Get somebody who can be the CFO. Get somebody who can be the CEO. Get somebody who can be the vice president of marketing. Get somebody who can head sales. Get somebody who can run the human resources function, because one of the things that young companies have to do is hire a lot of people. And that turns out to be a much harder task than I think people realize until they try it. So all those other pieces are critically important, and I think we should try and expose our students to all those. And hopefully we'll train people through lots of walks of life in that context.